So then, as we have opportunity, let us do good to everyone. Galatians chapter 6 verse 10. Do good to all. Paul has urged the Galatian Christians not to grow tired of doing good through the power of God's Spirit. The importance of doing good to all people is being emphasized in this verse. It highlighted that we as Christians should grab every moment to help others, especially to our fellow believers. The text recommends that this call to action is established in the wellspring of sowing and reaping, encouraging all believers to engage in acts of kindness, goodness, and support within the church community. In addition to it, it also reflects the Christian duty to prioritize the needs of those within the faith while also extending compassion to those that are without. The idea of doing good to all men echoes Jesus' words in Matthew chapter 5 verse 16, "Let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." Our light shine when we follow Jesus' example of doing good wherever we go. Acts 10:38. We start doing good unto all men by softening our hearts toward others and other sisters, our other brothers and sisters, and dedicating ourselves to their well-being as though it were our own. Let us find ways to bless other people. Let us also become a blessing by showing genuine love and compassion and being generous that flows from the life of our Lord. As long as we have the opportunity to do good, to invest our lives by the power of God's Spirit in doing good what is right, we should take it. Doing good to others, especially in our household of faith, is an investment that will pay off for them and for us both now and for eternity.